slight shudder in Annapolis' real estate market this week, with two changes that could be something to watch for in the coming weeks. It's Friday, August 16th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis homes have been consistently selling for close to list price or higher and in under 8 days. This week, however, we see these two data points shift. Inventory rose to 150 homes for sale in Annapolis, and there are 24 homes coming soon. 24 homes went under contract in 10 days since last report, and 20 homes sold at 98.6% list to sold ratio and in 19 days. Rentals fell to 33 at $3,100 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 16, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.